Are you planning to move internationally and looking for the best moving company in Thailand, whether you're moving for work, school, or personal reasons? 3 Movers is here to make your overseas relocation easy and stress-free. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about international moving services to and from Thailand. From affordable pricing to trusted services, we'll help you understand how to make your move smoother and more efficient. When moving internationally, finding a reliable and affordable moving company is key. At 3 Movers, we offer the best international moving services with a focus on affordability and quality. We have years of experience in handling overseas relocations and offer transparent pricing to ensure you get the best value for your move. One of the first questions you might have when planning your move is how much will it cost? Moving internationally from Thailand can range between $4,500 and $16,800 depending on the size of your move, the distance, and the services you choose. We offer free upfront quotes to help you plan your budget. Factors like the time of year, whether it's peak moving season, and additional services like packing, unpacking, and storage can impact the cost. But don't worry, our expert team will help guide you through the process, ensuring no hidden costs along the way. At 3 Movers, we provide a variety of services tailored to your specific needs, including our goal is to take the hassle out of your move so you can focus on what's next in your journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on international moving. We're here to help with your next big relocation.